I'm here with my Dash 8-inch griddle and a box of frozen baked soft pretzels. I got these at the Dollar Tree. This is a box of 6 baked soft pretzels. It comes with a salt pack, or you can eat them without salt. I like to make them without salt and then dip them in like mustard or mustard sauce. It's a really nice snack, and it's also really cheap since these are 6 for $1, so it's less than 20 cents. And I am going to heat one of these up in this Dash 8-inch griddle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
This is what the pretzel looks like. It's a little bit too big for the Dash mini griddle. So that's why I use this 8-inch griddle. Let's open it up. Let's put the pretzel inside. Let's close it, and then let's come back in a few minutes, maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. Let's see if it's done. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's check this out. Be careful. It seems like it's done. It's nice and warm. Definitely very hot. Let's take it off. It's nice and crunchy on the outside. I don't know if you could see that. There's steam coming out of it. It's like perfectly cooked. It has been so long since I've had a warm, soft pretzel. This is so good. Obviously, if you like salt on your pretzels, you could always add salt, but this came out so good. The inside is moist, the outside is crispy and crunchy. I'm gonna get some mustard. Some people like to dip their pretzel in cheese sauce, but I like mustard. Remember, don't double dip unless you're the only one eating. Then double dip all you want. So this is a really nice snack, and it's going to tide me over until I have dinner in a few hours. So this is how you can use a Dash 8-inch griddle to heat up a frozen soft pretzel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.